Welcome to this DIY papaya face pack tutorial, where we will be using natural ingredients such as papaya, aloe vera, lemon juice, and honey to make a homemade face pack that will leave your skin looking radiant and glowing. So, let's get started. To make this face pack, we will need 1/4 cup of ripe papaya, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Make sure all ingredients are fresh and organic to ensure maximum benefits. Firstly, let's prepare the papaya. Cut a ripe papaya in half, remove the seeds, and scoop out the flesh into a bowl. Use a fork to mash the papaya into a smooth paste. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps to exfoliate dead skin cells and unclog pores, leaving your skin looking brighter and smoother. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more great content. Next, let's add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to the papaya paste. Aloe vera has soothing and hydrating properties that will help to soothe and moisturize your skin. Now, let's add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice to the mix. Lemon juice is a natural astringent and helps to brighten the skin. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of honey to the mixture. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps to lock in moisture and keep your skin hydrated. Mix all the ingredients well until you have a smooth and consistent paste. After mixing all the ingredients, you can use mixer grinder to make a smooth paste. Your papaya face pack is now ready. Wash your face with warm water and pat it dry with a clean towel. Apply the papaya face pack all over your face and neck, making sure to avoid the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or until the pack dries completely. After 15 to 20 minutes, rinse the face pack off with cool water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. You'll notice an immediate difference in the texture and appearance of your skin. You can also store this in a container and store it in a refrigerator for a week. So, there you have it, a simple yet effective DIY papaya face pack that will leave your skin looking and feeling great. By using natural ingredients like papaya, aloe vera, lemon juice, and honey, you're giving your skin the nourishment it needs without exposing it to harmful chemicals. Try this face pack once a week for best results and enjoy your glowing, healthy-looking skin. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.